Let's stop here for a second and listen to the sound. Oh my God! Look at this beautiful Porsche badge written here, the Porsche badge there. It's the scariest, the most brutal, the most insane car I ever drove. This suspension is so sporty. Oh my God, what is this? Just look at this 700 horsepower beast. Hello people, this is Moscarblog and today I'm presenting to you this Porsche Gt2RS 2017 model with over 700 horsepower. Well, it has 700 horsepower, but yeah, since it's a bi-turbo engine, we can expect a little bit more. It has a 3.8 liter Boxer 6-cylinder engine, and it's amazing in this British racing green with these carbon accents here, these yellow accents the owner put himself. And just look at this car, it's so beautiful, so aggressive looking. I have to do it quick because it's raining, but let's get into the review. So we have magnesium wheels by Porsche. These are super expensive. They're around 50,000 euros, these wheels, so we better not scrape the wheels. This car can go 340 kilometers per hour, and it does it with so much ease, and it doesn't care. It's so fast, it's unbelievable, and it sounds so good. Carbon everywhere, literally. Look at the hood, look at these fenders here, look at the mirror, look at the roof. Carbon everywhere on this beautiful thing, even here for the engine to get air. And also the rear spoiler is full of carbon. It looks so good, and I can't wait to show you the inside of it and take it for a drive. Just look at it, the exhaust. The 992 model now is using this exhaust because the Gt2RS had it. Look at this beautiful Porsche badge written here, the Porsche badge there. The Porsche badge at the front is actually a sticker to save weight. It's not a real badge, it's just a sticker. So now let's jump inside and I'll show you the inside, and then we will take it for a drive. We also have the Weissach package on this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's why we have the magnesium wheels and the carbon everywhere. Beautiful yellow stitchings here. Weissach RS also here on the seat, on this carbon bucket seat. This roll cage, it's such an amazing car, and I hope you will enjoy it. So people, let's now start this insane beast up. Oh my God. Are you hearing this? Do you hear this? Let's go. So people, let's now take this car for a drive, this Gt2RS, and see how it behaves in rain. I hope it doesn't kill me. I will be very careful, because I don't want any trouble to happen. But of course I will try to press it once or twice. Let's talk about the suspension. It's fairly okay. It's stiff, of course. This is a Gt2RS. I can't believe I'm actually driving this. Yeah, it's actually really stiff. But it's doable. It's really doable. It's not like you will think you would die stiff. I can feel the wheels already slipping, these Gt2R tires, these bad Gt2Rs. For rain, absolutely bad. For track performance, really good. What is this on the ground? Trash can. I will now get some temperature in this car, warm it up a little bit. We have a lift system here, which I'm now using. I'm currently getting the car up a little bit. You can hear everything because of the carbon roof. Like, it's way louder, the rain. Currently at 55 degrees here. This is not warm. So driving it, it's really scary. It's these conditions that that is scaring the life out of me. This suspension is so sporty. Oh my God, what is this? This is one of the harshest cars I ever drove. Ladies and gentlemen, this car is Mr. Super Stiff. Oh my God. It's so loud. Now it's popping and banging also. Oh, it's so hard. Still not warmed up. Does this? And this is the comfort mode for the suspension. Now it's stiff. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Oh my God. How can a car be so stiff? This is not normal. It has a touch screen. We know that out of the 991 generation. It's really rumbly at the low RPMs. You need to get it up so you hear some proper sound. Now it's just like really noisy and rumbly and yeah. Let's now give it a little bit throttle here. Oh my God, this is so scary. Oh my God. This car is so scary. It's menacingly. Oh my God, this car is so scary and stiff. The boost kicks in really suddenly. It's like driving a 1000 horsepower Supra, man. It's so scary. Oh my God, did you hear that? It's so agile. I can't imagine this car in summer on a racetrack. It will be unbelievable. It pushes so hard. So people, let's now take a right turn. Give it a little bit of throttle. It's so loud, it's so rumbly at the low RPMs. This car is absolutely crazy. I can't believe I'm driving it, oh my God. I think this is the most expensive car I yet drove on this channel. So please make sure to share it with your friends, because a lot more is coming of stuff like this, of this crazy, menacingly stuff, which I'm absolutely scared to do. Listen to the pops. Wow. Wow, gee, that turbo whistle. I can't see anything out of the rear view mirror because of that spoiler. I can feel how powerful this is. This is so scary. Let's stop here for a second and listen to the sound. Oh my God! So let's continue this drive now. Oh, it's sliding around. It's so powerful. It's scary. I'm scared to push it, ladies and gentlemen. I can't. We will die here. Look at this road. It's wet. Gt2RS tires. 700 horsepower minimum. I think it has a little bit more. Oh my God. Scary sound. Wow, oh my God, did you see that? Okay, let's stop here. Let's put it into the comfort and now just bring it back home safe. So people, driving this car, I'm absolutely scared for life. It's the scariest, the most brutal, the most insane car I ever drove. I can't believe I took it out for a spin. I hope you enjoy it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm literally risking my life right now. Big thanks to the owner. You saw his Instagram on the screen. Make sure to give him a follow. So ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a tunnel sound check. Insane. Insane. So people, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Make sure to also follow, because a lot of more supercars are coming, especially this year. So make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.